Hello again. Still here. And so is my Extra 300. Haven't flown this for a long time, but I got my World War II pilot in it, so you know it's going to be competent. Yeah, the wind's still cooking, and I'm flying it with a smaller battery than I typically do. It's got a 2200. Oh boy, here comes Mariah. Water-filled ditches. Might just be a bit. Well, may as well just blast it off the ground and see what happens, right? Stay out of the ditches. Oh, hyper responsive. And I'm pretty happy with the CG where it is, even though according to the manual it's light. I'm not going to be doing anything crazy, guys. I have not flown this for pretty near a year or more, so I'll get it out again, and hopefully in some better conditions. But for right now, wow. Wow, 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 whoa. I am getting hit. You know, I think I've never been one to chicken out, but I may use this battery up later in the afternoon. Got a lunch date and some other things to do. After that thunderstorm last night, wow, she was crazy. I've been in tropical typhoons, and that was a close second. It was howling, and the sky was illuminated like you can't believe. It was just beautiful. Luckily, we didn't get any hail. That'll do in this crosswind. You can see I had full rudder. That's full rudder, and it was fully cranked in. Sort of. I so want to go fly, but I'm running out of time, and now the wind's actually taken a little bit of a break. So I don't know if you can see in the reeds there. It was really kicking up. You know, an aerobatic plane. Well, I neglected, to do anything with it really. Wow, now there's the wind again. You know, it's fun. I always say it's nice to be challenged, but it sucks when you bust up a plane. Wow. On the downwind of that loop, I just got thrown back. Okay. You know what? I am going to call it, and I'll be back later maybe. We'll see how the girls let me do the day. That was fun, and more fun to come. So take care, everybody, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.